Let's make a cloud pour today. If you've seen the cloud pour before, that has these really unique looking cells that happen because of a unique set of products that are used only in this technique. So let's go over the recipes. The base and your colors are going to be made of 2.5 parts of US Floetrol and 1 part of acrylic paint. And then your cloud mix, which is the recipe that makes all the fun happen, is 2 parts of US Floetrol, 1 part of Australian Floetrol, 1 part of titanium white paint, and then 1 part of the Deco Art satin enamel pure white. You put them into a cup. Ideally, you want to put some of the cloud mix in between the colors at every stage, and then you can pour them out in the style of a ring pour in a circular fashion, or you can just let it go straight out of the cup and turn your spin table or turn your hand occasionally to create a spiral pattern. Now, I don't like to expand, I don't like what happens at the corners if you let the painting expand all the way to the corners. So I usually sweep up some of the excess paint, the parts that have very clear colors or patterns, and I'll use that to fill the empty spaces like that. And there you go. That's a cloud pour.